Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock cells and protect sheets in Google Sheets. So if you ever had someone mess up your Google Sheets, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can lock specific cells, protect entire sheets, and manage sharing permissions to keep your data safe. So if you want to lock specific cells, let's say you want to lock your formulas or header but keep the rest editable, you can just select the cells that you want to protect. Let's say I want to protect this ones right here. And now you can just right click and tap on this one, a few more cell actions, and there will be these options to protect range. Click on that. Now you can just name the range if you want to, like this, and you can just tap on this one, set permissions, and in here you can choose who can edit, just you or custom user. I'm going to just go with only me or only you. Tap on done, so anyone else trying to change it will get an error. And next, if you want to protect an entire sheets, if you want to lock down a whole sheets, it's pretty easy. You can just go to data, and there will be these options to protect sheets and range. Tap on that, and in here you can just click on sheets and choose the sheet, and after that you can tap on set permissions. And again, you can choose it to set only you or only me. And you can even allow certain ranges to stay editable inside a lock sheets if you want to. If you want to manage the share settings, let's make sure that you are not giving away too much power. So what you need to do is just click on share in the top right. And under the general access in here, you can choose let's say I'm going to give access to this one in here, and you can change the access. Viewer can only see, commenter can add notes, and also editor which have full access, but you need to be careful. So you can just use the gear icon to disable copy, download, and printer if needed, this one. So that's pretty much all. Like, comment if this helped you out, and subscribe for more Google Workspace tips. Bye.